Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by clearing a flat area and collecting glue, a small brush, a bone folder or ruler, and clamps or heavy books. Once you inspect the cover, prioritize reattaching the spine and sealing torn edges so the book can open safely. Make small trims to remove frayed bits and set aside paper scraps for internal patches. This prevents bulk under the cover. As you work, keep the pages aligned and use light pressure so glue spreads evenly without wrinkling. You now apply a thin layer of archival PVA glue to the spine and along the cover hinge. Thin glue so pages stay flexible. Once done, slide a reinforcement strip of strong paper or book cloth behind the cover with roughly 1/8 inch overlap to both boards. This strengthens the joint. Make sure to smooth the strip with a bone folder, working from the center outward to remove air pockets. Then close and clamp the book for 30 to 60 minutes to set the bond. You finish by trimming any excess reinforcement and lightly sanding small bumps. Allow the repair to cure for about 24 hours before heavy use. Once dry, reinforce corners with small glued patches if they remain soft, and test the cover's opening motion to ensure flexibility. If the cover warps or bubbles, press the book flat under weight for several hours, and, if needed, lift and reapply a minimal amount of glue to problem spots.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.